So start off with the beautiful box. Just gonna open this up. And it has your journey begins. This is just a little piece that sits over the fume. Pull that out. Okay, so here's the fume. Pull it out of here so you can see better. The mouthpiece is stainless steel. My favorite part of this is the maple barrel. The natural wood grains are so beautiful. Opens up, totally cleanable. Super great, very exciting. So next in the box, we've got the cores. So the cores are infused with natural plants that are non-addictive. No harsh chemicals in here, just plain old plants. So you got different flavors here, the maple pepper, crisp mint, and white cranberry, which gives you a good variety of cores to start with. So finally, in here we have the cleaning kit. So in the cleaning kit, there's two pieces here, a pipe cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And that's it. I'm really excited to use mine, and I'm excited to hear about how you guys like it too.